So underneath is a pretty cool detail that, again, we worked on for quite some time, is that we have this 3/4 inch channel that Brian is working on installing the name escapes me. Well, the light, Heffala makes it. And then in the back, we're doing a plug mold. So all our receptacles will be back here, and then the LED strip will be to the forefront of the cabinet, which will also run into the stone. We stopped the outlet short of the stone just because of difficulties applying or adhering that small stone piece in the back. But what that does is allows us to have this entire backsplash as one piece of stone without any interruptions or any receptacles in it. One of the details that we added to all the undercab is this lighting, and traditionally we like to use this aluminum extrusion that gets installed into a dado slot made by Infinex, and then we use this frosted clear diffuser that clips into that track. So this right here, as you can see, it slips into 3/4 inch dado. Yep. So we cut a 3/4 inch dado into the bottom of our shelf for our under cabinet, and then this gets popped up into it, and it's held on by these small teeth. And what gets fed through this track is this LED tape that's made by Revashelf. You can order it in different colors. This particular one that we're using here is the 4300, and this will run in the track. The nice thing about this is a lot of times you'll see this stuff installed on an under cabinet, and while it does a good job of lighting up the space on the counter, when you get up close or you're looking under the cabinetry, you see all these LEDs individually, and to me that looks pretty messy. So that's why we use this frosted diffuser to help disperse that light over. So if you look under here, you can see with our Caesar stone shelf, that track starts way over here, and it lines up perfectly with the painted under cabinet light rail that we installed underneath all of the cabinets. So that LED, that extrusion will run continuously with the LED all the way. So you have a continuous light source lighting up the top of the countertop, which is great for accent, but also great for working on the counters for additional lighting.